Deep in the heart of an ancient jungle, there stood a grove of mystical trees known as the Whispering Trees. Their branches shimmered with a silvery glow, and each night, as the moonlight bathed the forest floor, they would hum soft, magical melodies and tell stories to all who would listen. Animals from all over the jungle would gather under their canopy, lulled by tales of bravery, kindness, and wisdom. But not everyone cherished the Whispering Trees. One such creature was a giant crocodile named Gruff. Gruff was not just any crocodile. He was the largest and most feared in the jungle. His emerald green scales gleamed like polished stones, and his sharp teeth could crush even the toughest of shells. Gruff prided himself on his strength and size, but he was also known for his foolishness and his refusal to listen to anyone. One fateful day, Gruff overheard the monkeys chattering excitedly about the Whispering Trees. Their stories are magical, squeaked a small monkey named Pip. They teach us so much. Gruff snorted loudly, startling the monkeys into silence. Stories? Ha! Stories won't fill my belly or make me stronger. He growled. What use are these trees if they do nothing but whisper? I'll chop them down and build a mighty dam to trap all the fish in the river. Then I'll feast forever. The animals gasped in horror, but Gruff paid them no mind. He lumbered off, determined to carry out his plan. That night, as the forest animals gathered beneath the trees, the Whispering Trees spoke with urgency. Their voices rustled like a gentle breeze. Gruff is coming, they warned. He wishes to destroy us, but we are not powerless. A brave young rabbit named Lila stepped forward. Her eyes sparkled with determination. What can we do? She asked. The tree's leaves shimmered. Gruff is strong, but his foolishness blinds him. We will outwit him. The animals whispered among themselves, forming a plan as the Whispering Trees guided them. By dawn, they were ready. The next morning, Gruff arrived with a massive axe clenched in his powerful jaws. He swung it carelessly, clearing his path through the underbrush. When he reached the grove, he bellowed, I am Gruff, the mightiest creature in this jungle. Your whispers end today. But before he could take a swing, Lila hopped forward, trembling but determined. Oh, great Gruff, she called out. If you truly are the mightiest, shouldn't you prove it first? These trees are magical, you know. They say only the cleverest can understand their stories. Gruff paused, his pride pricked. Clever? Huh. I'm not just strong, I'm smart too. Let me hear these stories, and I'll show you. The Whispering Trees began to hum softly, their voices weaving a tale of a greedy king who lost everything because he refused to listen. Gruff's eyes narrowed as he tried to follow the story. The animals, hiding in the bush, watched nervously. This is nonsense, Gruff snapped. But the trees continued, their voices growing louder, painting vivid images of the king's downfall. Gruff's head swam as the tale unfolded. He shook his massive head, trying to block out the whispers, but they seemed to echo inside him. Angered and confused, Gruff roared and swung his axe wildly. But as he charged at the largest tree, he tripped over a cleverly placed vine. The axe flew from his jaws, landing in the river with a splash. You tricked me. Gruff snarled, flailing in the mud. No, Gruff, Lila said softly, stepping forward. We only showed you the truth. Greed and foolishness always lead to trouble. Gruff growled but couldn't argue. Without his axe, he was powerless. He slunk away, muttering to himself. The forest erupted in cheers. The Whispering Trees swayed gently, their voices warm and kind. Remember, dear friends, strength is not in might, but in wisdom and kindness. From that day on, Gruff avoided the grove, his pride too wounded to return. The animals continued to gather each night, cherishing the stories of the Whispering Trees, and though Gruff remained in his swamp, the tale of the big foolish crocodile and the magical trees became one of the jungle's favorite stories, a reminder that wisdom always triumphs over foolishness. And so the whispering trees stood tall, their story spreading joy and teaching lessons to all who would listen, forever untouched by Gruff's greed.